Here you can see, assume the size of character is 1 byte and negatives are stored in 2's complement form. If the negative numbers are stored in 2's complement form, then what will be the output of this program? So let us look at this one here. It's a very easy program. See, whenever I'm saying character C means we have a signed character. By default the characters are signed characters. ठीक है? So I'm storing the value 125 in character C. And how can you convert this 125 in binary? So this is your 1 byte character. ठीक है? So in 1 byte character we have 125, and what will be this 125? It is going to be 1111101. Correct? So which is a total of 8 bytes. ठीक है? This is a total of 8 bytes. Now in this value, if I'm going to add 125 plus 10, the value is going to be 135. But if you see the range of a signed character, जो आपका signed character है, इसकी जो range है, that is -128 to +127. This is the range. So that means if I add this 10 to this value, so it becomes 135, which is out of the range, जो कि इसकी range के बाहर है. So how does this 135 changes to binary? If you convert this 135 to binary, it is 1000 and 111. This is 135. 135 is 128 plus 7 is 135. ठीक है? Now if you check out this range, so this 135 is out of this range. इस range से बाहर है 135. So you have to figure out ये किसका 2's complement है. Whose 2's complement is this? ये किसका 2's complement है? Whose 2's complement is this? So you will figure it out that this is a 2's complement of value, which is I guess 121. So it is representing -121. ठीक है? So this value that will be printed here, because I'm printing with %d, I'm not printing with %c. So because I'm printing with %d, so this will be -121 as an output for this given program. इसका जो output होगा वो -121 होगा. Let me show you with the help of a program. I can give a practical example of this also. So I have character C is equal to 125. Then I do C is equal to C plus 1, C plus 10. And now if I'm doing printf %d comma C, so if I execute this program, compile and run, so you will see the value is -121. ये जो value है ये negative में -121 है. ठीक है? So let us look at the next example here. So in this example we are checking if size of integer is greater than -1, print yes, else print no. Please tell me the output of this program. Now look at this function here. So here we are having size of integer is greater than -1. So here the output of this program is no. Why the output is no? Because this size of function returns an unsigned integer. ये जो size of function है वो एक unsigned integer को return करता है, and this is representing a signed integer. It is representing a signed integer. Therefore, if I do size of integer is 4, and this 4 will be stored something like this: 0000 0000 0000 0100. This is representing your size of integer, which is 4. And if you look at this -1, so -1 means it is a 2's complement form. So -1 will be all ones. Correct? So when you are comparing these two values where we have size of integers with -1, so because here we have size of integer which is an unsigned integer, therefore this comparison will happen when both of these numbers will be unsigned. So we are going to assume that this number is also unsigned, and we are going to assume that this number is also unsigned. So when both the numbers are unsigned, you will see that this number is actually bigger than this number. So this number maybe it is B and this number A. So we can see this number B is greater than A. Hence this condition is false. Therefore no will be printed. ये जो condition है यहाँ पर false होंगी और यहाँ पर no print होगा. ठीक है? So you can also look at the theory here. When an integer value is compared with an unsigned integer, अगर एक integer value को आप unsigned integer से compare करते हैं, in that case integer is promoted to unsigned. So because it is an unsigned and it is a signed integer, so when you are going to compare the value of an unsigned integer with an integer, so this integer signed integer will be changed to unsigned. तो ये जो signed integer है ये unsigned में change हो जाएगा, ठीक है. So that is why the output of this program is no. Clear? So this line is very very important. You can take note of this line, that integer is promoted to unsigned whenever this integer value is compared with unsigned. अगर integer की value को हम unsigned से compare करेंगे, so that integer value will be changed to unsigned. ठीक है.